Laziness is not your enemy. Lack of discipline is. Everyone feels lazy sometimes, even successful people. But the difference is simple. They don't wait to feel motivated. They move anyway. If you often feel lazy, this video is for you. Because today I'll show you how to stay disciplined even when you feel lazy. Most people think laziness means weakness, but that's not true. Laziness usually means your brain wants comfort. It wants easy things, scrolling, watching videos, avoiding effort. But success never comes from comfort. It comes from discipline, and discipline is something you can train. Step 1. Start with small actions. Don't try to change everything at once. If you feel lazy, do just one small task. Read one page, do 5 minutes of work, write one idea. Because small actions break laziness. And once you start, it becomes easier to continue. Because starting is always the hardest part. Step 2, remove distractions. Your phone is the biggest enemy of discipline. Notifications steal your focus. Social media steals your time. So make it harder to get distracted. Put your phone away. Turn off notifications. Create a clean workspace. When distractions disappear, focus becomes easier. Step 3, build daily discipline habits. Discipline is not built in one day. It is built daily. Wake up at the same time. Plan your tasks. Finish what you start. Even when you feel lazy, show up anyway. Because discipline grows every time you keep your promise to yourself. Remember this, your future doesn't care how lazy you feel today. It only cares what actions you take. If you keep delaying work, your dreams will keep delaying too. But if you act now, your future will improve. You don't need perfect motivation. You need consistent discipline. Start small, remove distractions, show up daily. Do this for 30 days and then your life will begin to change. Stay disciplined, even when you feel lazy, because success belongs to those who act anyway. If you want to build strong discipline and change your life, subscribe to Inspire Path for more videos about discipline, habits, and success. Your future is built by what you do today.